Right. Peralta sa hindi play. Peralta pa rin. Silon Peralta to Pawik. Pawik. To Peralta for Grace. Rebound on the right. Go good. Dunduan on the drive to Pawik sa gitna. Good for 2 by Sir Pawik. Lingan setting the play, Lingan to Lumawan pa rin, still on Lumawan, loose ball, pero rebound itong Portillo. No good. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound Lumawan. No good. Dunduan to Escobar. Escobar pa rin, still on Escobar. No good. Rebound! No good! Rebound! Orata! Tulungan! Tulipan! Tutukingan for 3! No good! Rebound! Wow! Jersey number 19! Pawik! Score! 2 shots for Mr. Lumawan. First shot. No good. Second shot for Mr. Lumawan. Good for 1 point by Lumawan. Hello. Okay, back to the ball game. Orata, tudong Portillo. Escobar, 2 points. Last 5 minutes, 45 seconds, Liban on the drive. Go. Stolen by Peralta to Escobar all the way. Good by Escobar. Portillo. No good rebound, Dunduan. Pero nagawa naman na kayo Portillo for 2. Peralta. Silon Peralta to Escobar. Escobar pa rin. Traveling. Score 9-3. Doklingan. So, Orata, take a shot for 2. No good. Save ball. Last. Doklingan na foul. Jersey number 33. Holding foul. Two shots for Dong Portillo. First roll. No good. Second throw. Swak ang pangalawang tira. Escobar on the drive. To Pawik sa gitna. Good one to by Pawik. Last 4 minutes, 23 seconds. Stepping on the line. Blue ball, Peralta to Escobar. Escobar ngayon ang maita na bola. Peralta for 3. Abot rebound. Liban on the drive. Good for 2 by Liban. Last 3 minutes, 56 seconds. Stolen by Lauri. Lumawan. Tuliban. Pass to Lumawan. For Tulubot. Last shots, red, blue ball. Last 3 minutes, 43 seconds.
Bola.
Dapat tayo naman. Foul jersey number 24. Pushing foul. That's your first personal foul. Doc Montillo on the drive. Team red shot na good rebound Montillo. Good for 2 and a foul. Who's ball red? Second personal foul. Pawik. Blue team warning for penalty. Bonus shot. Swak. Last 3 minutes, 24 seconds. Escobar. Tununwan. Take a shot for 3. Tununwan. Nabitin. Lingan, setting the play. To Liban on the drive. Rebound. By foul. Pushing foul number 20. Contillo. Escobar. To Pawik sa gitna. Good for 2 by Pawik. Last 2 minutes, 48 seconds. Liban. Good rebound, good one. Safe ball. Good ball to by Contillo. Escobar, last 2 minutes, 23 seconds. Escobar to Peralta. Peralta for 2. Blue ball. Ay, red ball. Red ball. Rebound. Last minutes. Tudok Montillo. Rebound. Good. Last 2 minutes.
Wait lang. Depensa.
Last. Peralta on the right. Same ball. Last 9 seconds to shoot. Last 9 seconds to shoot.
Oh.
Inuan. Take a shot for two. No good rebound ng Orata. Orata. Tulumawan to ng tulingan. No go at Emilio. Good for two. Number 21 entering the game. Last 1 minute 13 seconds. Peralta. Take a shot for three. No good. Rebound.
Pasa.
Last 1 minute. Para lock to Escobar. Still on Escobar. Last 53 seconds. Peralta. Lugo, dribble Orata. Pero may foul. Jersey number 14. Two shots for Mr. Peralta. First throw. Shout out kay Sir Logan. Right side. Second throw. Wait. Wala rebound. Nabasa kay Bumbuan. Last 48 seconds. Foul, jersey number 20. Number 20, that's your second personal foul. Score 17-15. Second throw. Wala rebound. Orata. Stolen by Peralta. Last 42 seconds. Peralta. Loose ball. Last 38 seconds. Last 37 seconds. Rebound. Coming out for three. Short. Tudok Patillo. Last 22 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 10 seconds. Last 8 seconds. End of first quarter down.
First quarter pa
Score.
Ha?
Score 91-51. Balik start.
Friday.
10-19.
Yan ang Friday, eh. Hindi, kung nagdala ka sa atin, ano mo?
Sanga ako na Friday ang laro eh.
We score 15-19. Blue ball po tayo.
Asa nalalaki sa yan. Nalalakad na ako. Ang hirap itulak.
Back to the ball game. Escobar.